if I smile like this?
What if I talk like that all the time? I'm constipated.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my gosh, we're high. My son, why are you dying? Why am I dying like this? Why do you think that's how I'm like, what am I doing? Guys, Madison, how do you do that? Sorry. Do what? You're not on yourself.
I know. I don't want to be.
Eyeball in the socket. Oh, wait. Record my eyes. I want to see him. I've never seen him. Okay, ready?
Wait. Okay, go. I don't know if you can see it real well.
You're not doing anything.
Yeah, you're not.
Dang it! It's not working today. How come some days it works and some days it doesn't? What? My eyes shaking when they go. Shaking.
I love when Taylor tries to do it because you're like,
I'm doing it. You go. No, you go. I really can almost.
No, you can.
Not really, Taylor.
I really can almost.
You sound like
okay, we're ready.
She always does that.
What?
That's like
It looks exactly the same almost.
What?
That thing. Okay, let's stop
Like
now.
Shelby says that kind of stuff all the time. She's always like, that's exactly the same almost. It cracks me up.
I know.